Hello everybody, I want to show you this video 10 cool things you can do with the Xiaomi Mi A3. So let me show you the first thing. If we are going here on the settings, then if we go here on the point accessibility, we have here the opportunity to on the magnification. So here you have then the opportunity to use it by a button, which one I prefer. Let me show you that. If you enable this, you have here now this little guy. And if you tap this guy, you are in the magnification and have a very nice zoom. If you're ready with, the magnification will disappear. So if you want to keep going on permanently with the magnification, you can use the first point here. If you enable this one. So if you tap it now 3 times quickly on the screen, you have here the magnification. And if you want to move inside here, you could use 2 fingers to see all. If you're ready with, you have to tap again 3 times on the screen and you're back in the regular mode. So a very nice mode if you want everything a bit bigger at a moment. Yeah, the next thing I want to show you is a blue light filter. So a blue light filter is very useful, especially in the night if you have problems to sleep in maybe. So if you have enabled it, your eyes feel not so much stressed as usual if you're watching maybe something on the phone or if you're reading something. Let me show you what I mean. So just go here to the settings, then go here on the point display. And at the second point, we have the night light. So if you enable that night light, you will see that the screen is turning a bit in yellow here now. And so you can change here also the intensity if you want. So that mode will reduce the blue light and it will give your eyes less stress and maybe you can sleep in better after. And if you want, also you can schedule it. Just go here, then you can set up, maybe let's just turn on sunset and to sunrise. And also you can turn here a custom time if you want, then it goes on every time automatically and turn off automatically. But let me tell you that this blue light filter is also nice on the day, because also on the day your eyes feel stressed. And if you want to relax a bit your eyes, if you're watching a smartphone, then leave it on. Maybe you can change the opacity or something like this if you feel more comfortable with it. Yeah, a very nice mode. And the next one I want to show you is about the camera. So there's a very nice situation and you're looking for your cam app here. So you have a tool which one allows you to launch the camera very quickly by double tapping the power button. And as you see, I'm immediately here at the camera. So now I can take my pictures immediately. Yeah, it works also on standby. Now, if a phone is on standby, you just double tap the power button and you are immediately at the camera. And may you don't miss now a great picture. And yeah. The next feature I want to show you is about the battery. So if you have a major problem with the battery, that it's going down too fast, then maybe there's an app which one is taking a lot of energy, and there's a statistics which one gives you the opportunity to have a look. What is the reason which app takes the most energy here? So let's go to the settings for, then we need here the point battery. And if you're going now on the 3 points here on the corner, as you can see here, next to the magnification, next to the search, then you have here the battery usage. And yeah, here you will have the apps which one taking the most. So I haven't opened many apps now here. But at your phone, you should see a long list here. And you can see with the percent here how much energy they have used since the last full charge. Okay, and and if you have too less energy on your phone, so you are able also here to enable a battery saver like me here. And yeah, as it is written here, this feature turns off some device features and restricts apps. So that feature saves a bit energy. So I think you should have enabled it. Think about our planet. Yeah, and of course you can also make screenshots with that phone by holding the power button and the volume down button. If you press these both buttons for the same time, you will have a screenshot. And directly after you're able to share it or to edit it, maybe if you want to crop just a part here, then go here on that part. And now you can crop part here of the picture. And if you're ready with, just go on done and then go on save copy. And now it's part of our gallery. Okay, there's also a second way to take a screenshot. You can choose the one which one's more comfortable. So by using the power button now, if you hold it longer as you want to off the phone, then you have here also the button for screenshot. If you tap it, the phone will take a screenshot as well. And then you have the same opportunities. You can change, you can share it directly, edit it, or if you want also you can delete it directly. And after you find that, of course, add the photos. Here they are. Okay. So the next mode I want to show you is named Digital Wellbeing. So it is a mode which one shows us how often we are using our smartphone, and we all know that we use it maybe too much. And also, maybe if you have the impression our children are using it too much, we can also control it a bit with this nice feature. So let me show you what I mean. So let's go to the settings first, and then we have to scroll down until the point here, Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So first of all, we have here the first point, your digital well-being tools. Show you data. You see a little statistics here, what we have used the most. I have used it now 11 minutes, so because of the video here. I had 10 unlocks here, 1 notification, and yeah, so I can also wind it down. So if I want to control a bit myself, I can set up a gray scale, so that the screen is turning into gray at a certain time. No? Maybe that it's starts here maybe at 11 and end at 7. So at 11 p.m. So my screen will turn into gray, and if I see that, I say I'm starting to think, okay, hey, it's already 11 p.m. I should reduce it a bit, and also the screen is now in gray. It doesn't make fun so much anymore to continue watching the video or reading this article. So it's a very nice time, as a very nice tool here, and also that I can enable the feature do not disturb me, that I say, okay, no one should reach me now. I can read something, but I don't want that someone have the opportunity to call me or something like this. No? So it's a very nice tool to wind down a bit. Yeah, and the other point is this parental control, but you have to install something from Google before, but it is explained here then, so you have to link it up. And the good thing is that you will control also your child on your smartphone a bit, because you see how often he's using it. You will see it in the statistics on your phone, and your child cannot lie to you anymore, and so on and so on. So a nice tool. And what is also very great, you can give them a limit time for some apps, maybe that the child shouldn't work on WhatsApp at night or something like this. You can really set it up. So a very nice tool. I can really recommend that to you, because the children cannot do anymore what they want at night. And to be honest, they know how to on the Wi-Fi. So but with this app, you will have, so you will get a bit back the control about the situation. Yeah, the next thing what I want to show you is something for the camera again. So if you're going here on the camera and going now here on video, you have here the opportunity, if you go here on the 3 lines, to have the slow motion. So if you want to record the slow motion, maybe let me have a bit more light here. If I'm moving now my hand here very fast, so the phone is recording the little video, and you can, what is very nice, you can have a bit longer videos here like on other phones. So the software is very nice. So if I have now look here on my hand, which one is working very fast, you got it here, I just want to show it. Now you see my fast moving hand is now here in slow motion, and a very nice tool. And as I said, the good thing is on the Mi A3 that you can take a bit longer videos than like on other phones, because on other phones this video can have just 3 or 4 seconds, but here you can have a longer video for slow motion. Nice. And also the next thing what I want to show is also about the camera, because this phone have, as you know, 3 cams. And if we are here on a regular photo and we want to make a picture here, maybe of my little ape here, and someone is next to him, maybe you can just see the half of the person. But if you use now the ultra wide angle cam here on this point, now we have much more space next to the little ape here, and we can see much more. It's especially very good for good pictures if you're very close with your phone, and you will have much more on it. But of course the camera is not that good than the main cam, but the quality is still acceptable, so everything is fine. If you want to go back to the regular mode, just go to the point here in the middle, then you're back. Or if you want to zoom in more, you can also here, and then it goes directly to the zoom, to the double zoom. Yeah, but ultra wide mode is a very nice one, I think. Okay, the last point I want to show you is Google Lens. This is also part here on the Android One phone of Xiaomi. If you're going here on the camera, and if you are the category photo here, then you go here on the 3 lines, and you have here the Google Lens symbol. Just tap on it, and it can recognize things and so on. But I want to have here the one on the left, the translator. And I don't know if you see that. It has a live translation. So maybe you're on holidays and go in a restaurant, maybe I want to know what's written on the card. You can have just a look with Google Lens and see it in your language. So you can change it here also. It's all an auto detection, so it realizes which language it is. Of course you need internet, I have to say this also. But you can change here your language, maybe if you wanted to from German and French and so on. Everything is possible. This app uses the Google Translator. So now if you're tapping here on the symbol for the translation, it will copy that text. So you can copy all and give it maybe to your notes or something like this. If you want to copy something from a book, or to want to keep it or want to put it on WhatsApp or something like this, it really works. And you can also open it in the translation apps, in the translation app of Google. Yeah, a very nice tool. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and show you something new. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in them, just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.